Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fund your Solana wallet, that is making a deposit to your Solana wallet. In our previous videos I showed you guys how you can create a Solana wallet using Phantom wallet as well. So now if you remember in the previous video, that's why I'm going to be showing you how you can fund that Solana wallet. And to fund your Solana wallet, you'll be needing an exchange for this. That's where an exchange coming. So that is one easiest way you can fund your Solana wallet. You'll be needing an exchange. And right here, I'll be comparing 5 different exchange depending on the one that's working in your country region. So I'll be comparing 5 different exchange. So just go know the one that works in your country region and use that particular one for purchasing your Solana and sending it to your Phantom wallet, because in Phantom wallet is where you are going to be making this trade. So now I'll be comparing 5 different exchanges which I use for transactions, and this is what I recommend you guys have more than one exchange, because exchanges gives different fees. Their fees differs in terms of transaction. So right here I'll be comparing 5 different exchange. One is BitGet, one is Binance, another is gate.io, and we have also, I'm going to be comparing the CS exchange, and lastly MEXC exchange. That's 5. And so checking at AMC. So now that you want to first of all, you click on where you see Solana wallet right here. You can see the balance is 0. Then once you click on it, it's going to open. Now you come to where they say receive. You click on receive. Then you have to be copying this address. Once you copy this address, this address now is what you're going to be taking to the exchange, pasting it there and sending your Solana to it. So now let's check out for the fees that applies to all these exchanges I've listed. Now I've gone to BitGet, and BitGet is telling us that they are going to be charging us a fee of 0.01 Solana, which is worth $2.14. So, and me checking CoinEx is also telling us that they are going to be charging us $1.50, which is quite better compared to that of BitGet, right? And BitGet, the minimum withdrawal is 0.1, and right here same here 0.1. So getting to gate.io is offering us a fee worth $1.70. That's the conversion of 0.00802 Solana is worth $1.70, and their minimum withdrawal is 0.01, which is about $3 to $4. That is quite low. That's if you want to be transferring a minimum of, let's say, $4 to $5, you should consider using gate.io. So now coming down to Binance is charging us a fee of 0.008 so, which is worth $1.71, same as gate.io, and the minimum withdrawal is 0.1, which is worth $21 to $22 or thereabout. So now let's come down to MEXC exchange. MEXC is charging us $1.36 for transacting, so sending out so from the exchange. So, and you can see that this particular MEXC, it has the lowest fee in terms of transacting on. So you can see these 5 exchanges I've listed here. MEXC has the lowest of it all, and their minimum withdrawal is 0.05, which is about $10 to $11, right? So you see that yeah, $10 to $11. You see that, right? And so if you are looking for an exchange with the lowest fee, you can consider using MEXC. But if you are looking for a exchange with a minimum that can allow you to transfer a minimum of $3 to $5, you can consider using gate.io. So which one am I using now? I'm going to be using gate.io for this tutorial. So let's move on to my gate.io exchange, and I'll show you guys how you can transfer this money, this Solana. Since we have already copied it, let's click on our gate.io. This is my gate.io here. So now let's wait for it to load. So this is my gate.io exchange. So what do? I come to where they say assets right here at the down. You see the icon at the right hand side. So let's click on it. So coming to the assets, let's wait for it to load. First of all, you should have USDT, because if you don't have USDT right here, there's no way you can purchase your Solana. You should have USDT in your exchange before purchasing your Solana. So okay, now if you have USDT, first of all, right here, how you have to be converting it, you have to trade it to Solana. So what do? You come to here where they say trade. First of all, since you have USDT and you are going to be searching for Solana right here, so let's go down to Solana ecosystem, and I will be choosing the Solana USDT right here. Since I have USDT, I'm going to be buying Solana right here. So I place it on the market. So just know that this is the same procedure for all other exchange. So how many amounts of USDT am I willing to spend to purchase so I'm typing it, let's say 5 USDT for purchasing this. So and once I've typed it 5 USDT for purchasing this so right here, and let's say 5, and I say buy, so then it's going to be confirming. But right now I don't have a USDT in my gate.io wallet, so we leave it about that. But this is how you are going to be doing it, and it will proceed as quick as possible. So now you have already purchased this so and you want to transfer it to your Phantom wallet. So coming back to this asset right here, you're going to be clicking on withdraw. This withdrawal part right here, you click on it. So you're going to be searching for Sol or Solana right here. So I've already searched for it, so I'm just going to be clicking on it right here. Search history, you see it, so I click on it, then it will show up right here. Then I tap on it. They say withdrawal, on-chain withdrawal, that's what you'll be using. So now it has come right here to the on-chain withdrawal. So I'll just come here, the chain withdrawal, you enter the address. That's the address you copied from your Phantom wallet. You're going to be pasting it right here. So make sure you confirm that everything is working fine. You can see right here the ending is a capital N, Q, small letter N capital. Right here you can see that's what ends it right here. So the network, we are choosing Solana. Then you type in the amount of SOL you want to be transferring. So the minimum is 0.015, right? 0.015, which is okay, let's say 0.018, which is worth $3.39. Guys, that is way minimum than other exchanges. So once you've done that, you click on withdraw. So because I don't have SOL in this my gate.io exchange, so work because I don't have a SOL here. So but this is the procedure you are going to be taking, and once you click on withdraw, you type in your password and everything, and boom, you come back to your Solana wallet right here, your Phantom wallet. Then you go back and you keep clicking on refreshing. you keep refreshing, and in a minute it will show up here. And that is how you can transact. That's how you can fund your Solana wallet using Phantom wallet. So that's it, guys, and in our next video again, we are going to show you guys how you can trade this coin, trade meme coins. Once you have your Solana in your Phantom wallet, how to trade meme coins. So guys, thanks for watching and bye.